Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Well, it doesn't show
Okay guys,
signs of stopping.
this is Isawiya, very close to Jerusalem. This is where we live, and people have never seen snow like this for years, okay? And here I'm waiting for the bus, and guess what I'm wearing? Check out my footwear, okay? Hey, like that. A little out of focus, but you get the idea.
Home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so,
What's your name?
My name Abid.
Abid.
When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. But the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we are still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.